Let's make a creamy and zesty spinach pasta that's perfect for a quick, flavorful meal. In just 20 minutes, you'll have a dish that brings together fresh spinach, creamy feta, and a burst of lemon zest for a beautifully balanced flavor. It's simple, comforting, and so delicious. Let's get started. First, finely chop your garlic cloves. And chop onion. Set them aside for later. Now let's cook the pasta. Add boiling water to a pot and add salt to it. Give it a stir. Alternatively, bring the water to a boil and then add salt. Add the spaghetti or pasta of your choice and cook according to the package instructions or until it's al dente. To check if the spaghetti is done, use a knife to cut a piece. It should be tender but still firm to the bite, with no hard center. Reserve half a cup of pasta water before draining. It will help bring everything together later. Let's make the spinach base. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil or butter. Once hot, toss in your chopped onions and saute for about 2-3 minutes until they are nice and soft. Then add minced garlic and cook for another minute to let it release all that lovely fragrance. Now add the chopped spinach to the skillet and cook it down until it's wilted. Keep stirring occasionally. You'll see it shrink and turn a beautiful deep green. Once the spinach is wilted, season with salt, red pepper flakes, black pepper, and oregano. Stir everything together. Let the spices coat the spinach. Add a splash of preserved pasta water to the skillet and mix well. Then add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese to the pan. Stir it in until it melts and coats the spinach beautifully. Next, crumble in your feta cheese. And add a bit of lemon zest. And lemon juice for a refreshing twist. Give it a good mix and let the feta melt just a little into the sauce. Now it's time to bring it all together. Then add your cooked spaghetti to the pan. Toss it in the spinach mixture. Make sure it's all nicely combined, and if you need to, add more pasta water to get the perfect creamy consistency. Your creamy, zesty spinach pasta is ready to serve. Garnish with extra feta cheese and enjoy this simple yet delicious pasta dish. It's the perfect balance of flavors and textures. You are going to love it, and so satisfying. You are going to love how the pasta and spinach come together in this vibrant dish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more. Thanks for cooking with me today. Happy cooking! See you next time!